If you're looking for things to do in Kingston other than partying, here's what I did this weekend. And it turned out to be the perfect mix of wellness, history, and good company. Blessed love family, I'm Stasia Alicia, and today I'm taking you along on a weekend in Kingston that started very early and ended with a little bit of history. So my morning started at Rockfort Mineral Bath. I've wanted to try water aerobics for a while as part of my healing journey, but I'm honestly not a fan of chlorine pools. So when I found out that Rockfort Mineral Bath offers Aqua Fitness sessions in mineral water on Saturdays and Sundays at 6:30 a.m., that immediately caught my attention. And it works perfectly for me because I also made a commitment this year to visit at least one natural water source every month, whether that's a beach, river, waterfall, or mineral spring. So this checked both boxes. This was my first time visiting the Rockfort Mineral Bath, and we had to register first for the Aqua Fitness session. The class cost 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and before entering the pool, everyone had to rinse off. And let me tell you, the water is definitely mineral water. Some splashed in my mouth and it was salty. But the class itself was so much fun. The instructor had us moving to soca and dancehall, and before you know it, you're getting a full workout. What I really like about Aqua Aerobics is that it's low impact but high results. It's gentle on your joints and muscles, but the water resistance works every muscle group. So you're building strength, endurance, flexibility, and even improving heart health and circulation all at the same time. And the best part, I was home before 8 a.m. So you still have the entire rest of your day for chores, errands, and other activities. They also offer evening classes at 6 p.m. on Tuesdays if mornings aren't your thing. And even if you don't want to do the fitness class, you can still visit the mineral bath and enjoy the pool during opening hours. It's $700 for adults, $500 for seniors over 55, and $500 for children ages 4 to 12. I had such a great time that I actually bought a swim cap for my next visit. So this is definitely going to become part of my monthly routine. As part of my weekend, I also met up with my friend Latoya because it was her birthday, and we decided to do the Devon House mansion tour. Our appointment was for 10:45 a.m. and the tour cost 2,300 Jamaican dollars. The tour actually begins in the courtyard at the statue of George Stiebel, the first Black millionaire in Jamaica. And our guide shared the story of how he built his wealth, purchased the property, and how Devon House eventually became government property. From there, we moved into the mansion itself. Room by room, we were taken through the dining room, living room, master bedroom, bathroom, the daughter's room, sewing room, games room, and even the ballroom. We saw old paintings, furniture, utensils, bed warmers, and even what toilets used to look like back then. But what really made it interesting was hearing the history of the family, the house, and the surrounding area. After the tour, Latoya signed the guest book. We took a few photos and then headed to the courtyard to grab something to eat. I stopped at Coca Raw and got a smoothie made with pineapple, coconut milk, and coconut water. Simple, refreshing, and perfect after a morning like that. So that was my weekend. A little wellness, good food, learning about our history, and spending time with a friend. And it reminded me that there's actually so much to do in Kingston beyond the usual nightlife. So now I'm curious, what's something you would recommend in Kingston when it comes to culture, creativity, history, wellness, adventure, or nature? Let me know in the comments. Blessed love.